Army ROTC at The Ohio State University isn't just a curriculum. It's more than just a path to a degree. Army ROTC at Ohio State is a legacy. We are a cornerstone, a foundation of the university. For more than 150 years, we've been forging tomorrow's leaders, developing Buckeyes of character who serve not just our military, but our nation. Here, you'll find your purpose, your mission, your ROTC family. You'll lead your fellow Buckeyes through rigorous field exercises, march alongside teammates in time-honored game day traditions, and rightfully stand proud as part of our storied legacy. At Ohio State, you're not just joining Army ROTC, you're stepping into a history of excellence that spans generations, from the classroom to the field, from mentorship opportunities to cherished Buckeye traditions. Every challenge, every achievement shapes your path. Your future here holds unlimited, boundless potential. Aviation to infantry, field artillery to cyber operations. Whatever your ambition, there's a path for you, and along the way you'll be supported by dedicated mentors, empowered by competitive scholarships, and strengthened by a powerful network of alumni. So the question isn't whether you can do it. The question is, are you ready to become part of something greater than yourself? Buckeyes lead the way.